Salam friendships! So one of the highlights of our Chiang Mai and Chiang Rai tour is this elephant ride. So for our first day, we went to the Mae Tang Elephant Park in Chiang Mai. For me, this is not the usual elephant ride kasi yung trail ng ride is like a path of their
Oo,
natural
kung
habitat.
gaganon
Crossing
lang.
the river, walking
Oh,
on forest
hindi.
slopes, and so on. It's a bit thrilling kasi sa mga slopes, it feels like a roller coaster ride. Walang safety belt ha, hahawak na lang talaga kayo sa
Careful.
parang bakal. So if you're confident enough na
Balance.
kaya nyong humawak ng matindi, itrahin nyo to. Meitang Park is also an elephant clinic, so they provide free treatment for elephants in the area, funded by proceeds from the park and from selling the elephants' artwork. There are a lot of activities here. Pwede rin kayong mag-feed ng
Gawin lang.
elephants. You just need to buy a basket of food for 100 baht. Also, may elephant show din. The show started with a parade. Then, yung pag-dance ng elephants and pag-play ng mga musical instruments. Other elephants show their talent din sa sports. Isa sa pinaka na-amaze ako is yung performance nila, lalo na yung pagpipaint, super galing. They are also selling the painting by the elephants ranging from 1,500 to 2,500 baht. This also helps them to sustain the needs of the elephants, especially yung senior elephant. According to them, they built the sanctuary to help the elephants and community. Kasi some elephants daw pumupunta na sa city kasi wala nang makuhang food sa natural habitat nila. And if that continues to happen, magiging dangerous sa mga elephants and sa mga tao as well. Each elephant ay kailangan ng 150 kilograms of food every day. So to sustain that, they came up to these activities to support their needs. You can also buy souvenirs here and also meron din silang restaurant buffet na super sasarap ng food. And the best part is, it's halal. After watching the elephant show, pumunta naman kami sa next destination which is few minutes away from Metang Elephant Park. Ito yung Long Neck Karen Village. May mga available na sasakyan sa mismong park going there. Dito nyo makikita yung mga women na may malaking brass coils around their necks. Ang bigat pala nun, nakakaloka. And also, you can take photos with them. Wala namang bayad, but just to lend a simple help. Pwede kayong bumili ng something sa mga paninda nila. Follow to know more about our next destination which is one of the most beautiful cafes in Chiang Mai. Shukran for watching!